Welcome to the Evoto AI iPad application. In this tutorial, we'll take a tour of the project workspace and its key feature locations. Understanding this will help you navigate the project workspace, making your organization even smoother. The project workspace is your default starting point in the Evoto AI iPad app. From here, you'll manage your projects, access account information, and utilize powerful smart AI tools to begin your edits. Let's start with the home screen, your central hub for project management. At the top, you'll see recent projects, showcasing what you've been working on most recently. Just tap a project to jump into its edit workspace, or tap the three dots for options to delete or rename it. Below recent projects, you'll find the Smart AI Tools section. This gives you immediate access to 8 powerful AI-powered feature modules designed to streamline your workflow. When you select a module, you can import images directly from your iPad's local storage. A new project is automatically created, the selected module's preset is applied, and the relevant feature group focuses automatically for immediate editing. You can also choose demo images. Each module includes curated demo images to showcase its functionality. Tapping one automatically creates a new project, imports the images, and applies the corresponding preset, giving you an instant preview. For importing images, you have 2 primary locations. In the project workspace, the import button is in the upper left corner. Here you'll find options to import from files, import from photos, and for tethered shooting. In the edit workspace, the import button is in the bottom left corner by the image thumbnails. This allows you to import additional images directly into your current project. The Create New Project button, located in the upper right of the project workspace, offers the same import options: import from files, import from photos, and tethered shooting. If you need to add credits, tap the Buy Now button in the upper right corner of the project workspace to purchase directly within the application. To access various account settings, tap the blue circle displaying the first letter of your name or account name. From here, you can view usage details, see what's new, change system settings, check your app version, or sign out. In the uppermost right corner, you'll find the Export List button. Tap this to view the status of all current and past exports. Finally, in the left-hand side panel within the project workspace, the Projects button takes you to your full list of projects. This can also be accessed via the See All Projects button, located beside the Create New Project button. And that's your comprehensive overview of the Evoto iPad Project Workspace user interface. We hope this helps you navigate and master your organizational workflow. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for editing tips, workflows, and everything you need to succeed with Evoto.